Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning about science, the chapter air winds and cyclones. We know that when we ride on a bicycle in the direction of the wind, it is easy to ride the bicycle. But when we go opposite to the direction of the wind, it is very hard and we may tire easily. Try to guess the reason. We have to try to guess the reason. What's the reason? How else does wind affect and influence our lives? Sometimes the wind is cold and sometimes it is pleasant and nice. It can blow clouds and sometimes raises dust. It is sometimes gentle but can be really strong too and blow away things. You have read in sixth that clouds dry faster on a windy day. Yes, right. And this is the question. Since wind has so much effect on our lives, we have to find out what winds are. How do they arise? The air around us is rarely still. It moves continuously from one direction to another. The movement is in many directions. This is what we call winds. So we know that wind is moving air. Let us try to understand something more about air and winds. Let us do one. Where do we find air? Take a bucket full of water and transparent glass. Take a paper, crumple it into a ball and push it to the bottom of the glass. Invert this glass and immerse it into the bucket of water. Keep the glass straight and press it so that the glass is completely under water. Take it out and observe what happens. Did the paper in the glass wet or not? Do that experiment and tell me. And keep in comments. What would you happen if you tilt the glass while immersing it in water? Try it. Let us do too. Fill a bucket with water. Take a bottle with narrow mouth and immerse it in the bucket till it fills with water. Did something come out of the bottle when water entered it? How do you came? How do you know whether something came out or not? Would it be correct to say that a glass or bottle that we think is empty is actually full of air? Figure 2a and the figure watch the figure 2a and watch the figure 2b. After doing activity 1 and activity 2, Rani said the, that air is everywhere in the bottle, glass or any other container that appears empty is actually full of air. Nothing can be added to it unless the air inside is removed. It is only when some air is removed that something else can enter. Air occupies that space around us. What are the steps needed to use a dropper? Explain its functioning. Figure 3a. Watch the figure 3a and figure 3b and figure 3c. Does air exerts pressure? You know that a bicycle tube or tube of any other vehicle can burst when it is overfilled with air. How does this happen? What does the excess air do to the tube? Discuss with your friends on how the air in the vehicle's tube clips them in shape. Discuss with your friends. Take a balloon and fill with air. Keep blowing more and more air into. What would eventually happen? The balloon expands and after a point bursts. bursts where air exerts pressure. For example, this may include a balloon being filled with air. The air filled a football that becomes hard. Water rising through a hand pump, the tubes of cycle, scooter or car. Think of the other examples where we can see that air exerts pressure. Let us do 3. Take a syringe and draw out its plunger to the limit. Close the nozzle of the syringe with a finger and press it the piston. Were you able to press the piston? Comment it. Let us do 4. Take an empty injection bottle and one empty ball point refill. Remove the pin of the refill and insert one of its ends in the cork of the injection bottle as shown in figure 5. Put a drop of water on the upper end of the refill. Rub your hands together so that they can become warm. Carefully pick up the bottle and hold it in both your hands for some time so that the bottle also become warm. So what happens to the water drop? What happened? How does it behave? Now keep this bottle in a saucer of cold water and observe that. What happens to the drop? Why does this happen? And this is the questions, and this is the part 1 of air winds and cyclones. And we meet in part 2 of air winds and cyclones. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel. Bye. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, friends. Bye bye.